The world's best-selling electric car has been given a fairly massive makeover. You're looking at the brand new Tesla Model Y, though for now, this first edition car is only available in China and Australia, but it's also the UK best-selling EV, so we're curious. The new Model Y has been given a more mature look, with a near single-strip headlight and single-strip taillight. Both the front and rear bumpers have been subtly tweaked too, and Tesla says it's been redesigned to maximize efficiency. Indeed, in die-casting the rear body floor, the carmaker has managed to strip component parts from 70 down to just 1. It reckons the improvements give a smoother and quieter driving experience. Presumably, it also creates more space for some batteries. The range has increased from 331 miles in the long-range all-wheel drive to 341 miles in this all-wheel drive first edition, codenamed Juniper. Initial figures suggest tweaks to the powertrain mean the AWD long-range variant covers the 0 to 62 miles per hour sprint half a second faster, down from 4.8s to 4.3s, and there have been updates to the suspension, wheels, and tires, too. Inside, an 8-inch rear touchscreen for accessing games and other entertainment media joins the 15.4-inch infotainment system with its constantly updating plethora of digital features. This is a 5-seater, though there's rumors of a 7-seat option in the pipeline.